happening, guys, it's not turning, but what's happening is when I push this in there, it's right to the top, but this is not in this. How can I show you? Hang on. This is not giving it any room to be on top. In other words, I have to cut some of this piston off, or make this thing smaller, or cut some piston off. I'm going to cut some piston off, but not too much. See if it worked then. So I tested it and this won't spin. So I'm thinking maybe a heavy flywheel. So we have found this one, so we're going to try it with that.